Hi everyone, my name is Tran. I'm a fashion and beauty photographer based in Sydney, Australia. Today, my team and I are in a studio to create images that you often see in magazines with high-key flash roof followed by a mid-key setup with a use of prop to create more interesting fashion images. To make that happen, I'm gonna use QT600 Mark III strobe with different light shaper. So let's get started. I aim to create a series of commercial fashion images that are dynamic with deeper depth of field to get the most detail in focus with a minimum aperture of f11. I'll be using 1 to 3 Godox strobe QT600 Mark III in 3 easy setups, from high key to mid key. The camera I'm using today is Sony Alpha 7R5 with the lens 24 to 70 f2.8. For the first setup, I want to create images that are evenly bright with a clean shadow that are not too close to the model. By using only one light, I position the light just a bit off-center to the model and shoot underneath the light. To make the shoot easier, I turn on the modeling light to help me see what the light and shadow are doing, so I can adjust the position and angle of the light to get the images I want. After that, I direct the model to stand closer to the wall for a harder shadow. I use standard silver reflector to get more punchy, high contrast look. During the shoot, I suggest the model to keep moving to get a variety of shots from stage posing to candid in between shots. With the fast recycling time and high power, I'm able to change my shooting pace to get the shot I want in f16 without compromise. Moving on to the second setup, I alternate between 3 lights and 1 light for 2 different looks to show versatility and time efficiency of the setup. First, I light the background to white. To do that, I use 4 polyboard to build 2 corners with the white interiors. Then 2 strobes, QT600 Mark III with the same power are placed to face the white corner to bounce the light back to the background evenly. After that, to light the model, I use another light with a deep large silver umbrella, face 45-degree angle to the model's left. Next, the umbrella is feathered off the model to get the desired lighting effect. The black sides of the polyboard helps create more contrast. Again, I give the model direction to constantly moving and interact with the clothes from time to time to get more natural poses. After getting the shot with the white background, I switch off the 2 lights at the back and continue shooting with the main light. By doing that, we have another option with the gray background created by the main light to fall off. Different shadow can be created by rotating the main light. Here I feather the light far off the model to get more deeper contrast on the face while getting interesting shadow at the back. Therefore, as you can see, 2 backgrounds or look can be achieved in one setup. For the last look, I set up the red paper roll and use a sofa as a prop. A strobe QT600 Mark III is used with a deep white large umbrella to create softer light. I place this on the model's left, feathering the light so that it's wrapped around the model. I use a sofa and red background to create more interesting set. Also, that will make the composition of the images more dynamic based on the shooting angle and the model interaction with the prop. By placing the light far from the background and feathering the umbrella, I can be able to get the soft wafting effects of light while control the amount of light fall off the back, creating a deeper red tone in the background of the model. As a result, the light is soft but contrasts to the background. The photographs have more intense colors while having a variety in composition, creating more striking commercial fashion imagery. That's the wrap for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Edward Tran. See you in the next one.